Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you guys how to use the reflect tool to create objects that have symmetry. First thing what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a new lettered size document and I'm going to turn on the grid so that you can have a little bit of visual guide to help you out. So I'm going to go to the view menu down to show grid. Notice the shortcut is Command apostrophe. Okay. So to use the pen tool, I'm just going to make something that looks kind of like a vase. So I'm going to make a straight line at an angle here, make a little curve here, and I'm using this main grid line here as the line that I'm going to start at and then come back to later on. I'll end there. Okay. So I'm going to make some kind of curve here. Then I'll put that there and a click there. Let me undo that. Remember, don't hit delete if you don't like what you did. Hit Command Z to undo it. Alright, make the part where the genie lives in this bottle. Alright, and do that, and then put a little foot on the bottom for it to sit. There. Now notice mine has a white fill. I'm going to hit the escape key to reset the pen tool. Having a fill color is helpful, so you can see and grab stuff easily. And what I'm going to do is make sure my entire object is selected. So I'm going to go to the selection tool, click on my shape, and then I'm going to go to the reflect tool. Okay. First you'll see the rotate tool. Grouped with it is the reflect tool. Okay. Note the O is the shortcut for it. So if you just press O on the keyboard, it will switch you to that tool. The way this tool works, once you've got an object selected and you have chosen this tool, you'll see a crosshair on your object. Okay. The first time you click, it's going to move that crosshair to wherever you click. So I'm going to click along this open edge of my object. Note if I turn off my fill, you'll see that side is not closed. Okay. So I'm going to click there, and that's going to move my axis of symmetry there. Now when I click on my shape, you'll see it start to rotate. Sorry, excuse me. It's not rotating, it's reflecting, though it looks like rotating. If I just do that and let go, it's going to move my original shape. I'm going to undo that. Okay, so what you want to do is use a few keyboard shortcuts here. Shift, holding the Shift key while you're using this tool, while you're clicking and dragging, makes it jump to 90-degree reflections. Okay. Additionally, I'm also going to press the Option key. Note when I press the Option key, the arrowhead doubles. So there's two little arrowheads, meaning it's going to make a copy of the shape that I'm currently reflecting, like that. Okay. Now the last thing I'm going to do is select the open anchor points and connect them. So you could use either the direct selection tool or the lasso tool. Lasso tool is a great tool for this. Shortcut is Q, and basically you just circle around the open anchor points right here. Press Command J. That will join them. Command J for join. Also found the long way, object path join. Okay. I would also join these two bottom anchor points. Command J. Okay. So it's a little bit of a fat vase that probably would tip over too easily, but oh, Homer's here. So you could also do this with a face. For example, here's a tracing of Homer's face. If I did that, I would flip it over that way, select these two anchor points, do Command J. And I've got a candlestick type of chalice thing.